about grocery shopping.
Okay.
Specifically.
Can you organize? Can you declutter my grocery shopping?
Well, my business card says home organization and assistance because sometimes it's packing a house, sometimes it's dog sitting. It covers all sorts of things.
Sure.
What I do.
Yeah.
So, home organizing, if you think about, how much time you spend grocery shopping, so it's kind of all part of the same thing. And
I
so,
am the grocery shopper in my family. Please help.
what do you think about Trader Joe's?
So interestingly, I do all of the shopping except for Trader Joe's, and occasionally Target because there's makeup stuff at Target, and so those are not in my purview. But we do buy some stuff from Trader Joe's.
You look like you work at Trader Joe's.
What?
You've never been in a Trader Joe's, have you?
I have.
They all
'cause
wear
Hawaiian
shirts.
So my Northside Home Guy thing is like if you look at my logo, and I think maybe we have it on the website. Is me? There's a cartoon of me because I don't take myself seriously, even though I take my client's business seriously. I don't take myself that seriously, and it's sort of an homage to Carol Burnett. And for those of, I think the three of us at least, are old enough to remember, at the end of Carol's show, there was a cartoon of her mopping up the studio. And I just thought it was the funniest thing in the world. I would always watch to the very, very end of Carol Burnett to see that cartoon of her mopping up. And it was a way that, as a comedian, she sort of
Ash,
put it out there that she didn't take herself
what
seriously.
does this have to do with Trader Joe's and the Hawaiian shirt?
It only because my logo is me in a Hawaiian cartoon of me in a Hawaiian shirt.
Thank you.
And so I always wear a Hawaiian shirt when I'm doing real estate business.
Okay. Phew. Okay, so some things
So
that people...
long wind up, short pitch.
Thank you.
Yes. And what's Trader Joe's got to do with grocery shopping?
There you go.
That's a novelty store.
No, Trader Joe's is a grocery store.
Well,
There aren't any in Florida, but people in Florida, my family in Florida anyway, they really want to go. Well, there might be some in Florida. I shouldn't say that. There aren't any around my family in Florida.
I don't know if there is any down here.
Trader Joe's is really cool. You know what? I think there is one out by what's the big town? Cape Coral. What's the other big town by you?
Fort Myers.
Fort Myers.
They
I
make
think there's
great
some
peanut butter cups. I like the milk chocolate. My wife likes the dark chocolate.
There's two on the other coast. The closest to me is actually in Naples, 23.1 miles.
So some interesting things about Trader Joe's is most all of their things are private label. Mm-hmm. And what's funny, they have quite a sense of humor, this Trader Joe's, all Trader Joe's. One of the things that they do for kids is they have the kid-size carts, which is really cute. And I don't know if all stores do this, but they hide their mascot. They have a little stuffed animal. Have you ever heard this before?
No.
Okay, so they have a little...
I assume it's for people that are younger than me.
Yes. But
I'm not saying
they'll
more
have
mature or less mature.
a little stuffed
younger.
animal, and they'll hide it among the shelves. And then when kids come in, they have a game to play while their parents are shopping. And if you find the mascot, they'll give you a lollipop or a toy or something like that. Yeah, so when my
If
niece...
I find it, will they give me some whiskey?
They'll kick you out.
Damn it.
So when my nieces and nephews were little, that was a cool thing that we used to do, is go over there. So one of their sense of humors is almost everything is their private brand. And when they have Mexican food, it's billed as Trader Jose's.
Nice.
Chinese food is Trader Ming's. Baked products are Baker Jose or Josef. I don't know. Clam chowder and fall themes food is Pilgrim Joe's. French food and French soap are Trader Jacques.
Nice.
Vitamins are Trader Darwin's.
Is this also a long wind up and a short pitch?
No, these are just funny things about. This is my segment, dude. This is not a long wind up and a short pitch. This is my segment about Trader Joe's.
Right.
And the different.
Then they have different sub brands or whatever that they sort of trying to like. Oh, this is fun.
It's just funny things that they have.
That's cool.
Another thing, there are always samples at Trader Joe's. You go into the back of the store, and there's almost always liquid, beverage sample and food samples. And interesting thing about Trader Joe's, if you ever want to try something, they will open the package for you right then and there on the spot. Yeah. The first time I ever saw...
They do sell alcohol. Will they do that for me? No,
don't
they
know.
won't. They won't. They won't.
But I
I'm
was in
playing.
there when I first
So, like, breads and
discovered,
stuff
Trader
and- yeah.
Joe's. They had a package of salted brownies, and now everything is salted. Everything is like caramel salted, this and that and the other thing. But I'm like looking at the package, and one of the employees came by, and they're like, "Have you ever tried it?" I'm like, "No, it doesn't sound very good." She goes, "Well, try some. Open the package right there.
Wow.
Let me try them." So if there's
That's-
anything
that's nice.
that you want to
That's
try,
a great business model.
some of their private label stuff is actually like Annie's, Amy's Organic, and Stacy's Chips. They just have a different label on there.
Oh.
So some of their
So
stuff is
they're making the other. So it's like the same manufacturing facility that makes like Philadelphia cream cheese. Also, is like this store label is the same thing.
in the case
essentially.
of Annie's, Amy's, and Stacy's.
Oh.
From what I completely understand,
Yeah.
they were on the gluten-free bandwagon before a lot of stores were, and they have
70-30.
tons and tons of gluten-free things. You can ask any of the crew members there. I got it. I'm just talking really fast. Any of the crew members there for their favorites, and they'll tell you one of their top favorite things is the orange chicken, which is
So
in
we'll
the
be
frozen
back
section.
right after this break. Give us a call on the Mr. Floor helpline at 877-711-5611. You have a chance to win that choice of Mr. Floor cleaning products, all non-toxic, environmentally safe. Learn more at Mr. Floor.
.com. Thank you.